Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today again we are going to talk about how can we use aeroplane mode in Infinix phone device. Friends, you want to use guys your Infinix phone aeroplane mode. So friend, how can you use and friend, how can you enable today friends? I will show you. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see this type of setting your Infinix phone device. So friends, how can we enable guys aeroplane mode? So friends, you can see the search bar option guys, tap here and we will tap here guys airplane. So once you can see your aeroplane mode setting guys, tap here and direct guys you can enable this aeroplane mode setting from the right side icon. After enable guys, come back and friends you can use guys your Wi-Fi setting. So I will click on the Wi-Fi guys and get Wi-Fi on and guys which network guys you want to connect guys you want to use, you can connect from here. So guys you can see I have connected this already this Wi-Fi network. So guys I can use aeroplane mode while connect. Wi-Fi means by using Wi-Fi guys I can use aeroplane mode setting also. So like that guys we can enable aeroplane mode setting guys and we can use with Wi-Fi setting guys. We cannot use guys internet setting guys and phone call setting guys. We can watch guys hard download movie, download song, offline games. So bye guys.